There are many different types of monkeys found all over the world. Some examples include baboons, found in Africa and Arabia; macaques, found in Asia, North Africa, and Gibraltar; marmosets, found in South America; capuchins, found in Central and South America; squirrel monkeys, found in Central and South America; tamarins, found in South America; howler monkeys, found in Central and South America; spider monkeys, found in Central and South America; mandrills, found in Africa; vervet monkeys, found in Africa; drill monkeys, found in Africa; gelada monkeys, found in Africa; baboon, found in Africa and the Arabian Peninsula; Japanese macaques, found in Japan. This is just a small sample of the many different types of monkeys that can be found around the world. Each species of monkey has its own unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitat preferences. Golden snub-nosed monkeys, found in central and southwestern China; Assam macaques, found in northeastern India and Bangladesh; rhesus macaques, found in South and Southeast Asia; bonnet macaques, found in South and Southeast Asia; toque macaques, found in Sri Lanka; langur monkeys, found in South and Southeast Asia; leaf monkeys, found in Southeast Asia; pig-tailed macaques, found in Southeast Asia; slow lorises, found in South and Southeast Asia; macaques, found in various parts of Asia, including Japan, China, and Indonesia. One of the most well-known types of monkeys found in temples in India is the Hanuman langur, also known as the grey langur. These monkeys are native to the Indian subcontinent and are found in many parts of India, including temples and other religious sites. Hanuman langurs are known for their grey fur and long tails, and they are often depicted in Hindu mythology as being associated with the god Hanuman. Other types of monkeys that may be found in temples in India include the rhesus macaque and the bonnet macaque. These monkeys are also native to the Indian subcontinent and are found in many parts of the country. It is important to note that while monkeys may be revered in some parts of India, they can also be considered pests in other areas. It is important to respect their natural habitat and behavior and not try to feed or interact with them in a way that could harm them or cause them stress.